Hi friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friend, today's video we are going to discuss about how can you learn Python. Because friend, Python is a famous and very easy coding language. If you start your improve your programming, I want to suggest you should start to learn Python first. Because nowadays in most of school in their syllabus Python is added already. Because friend, it's too much easy. And nowadays and everyone should start to learn coding. If you are not for engineering background, then also you should start to learn. If you are doctor, you are doing nursing, if you are facing any problem over there, you can make any startup on that basis. That's why you should know coding. Even also most of people those are not from this engineering background, they are learning coding because it's too much important. That's why you should start, and for that purpose I will tell you how can you start your programming. Means first I told you you should have to learn Python. Friend, on through YouTube you don't need to purchase any course. Even as compared to the course, already I purchased some courses for Python I want to learn in online. But friend, instead of that course, the well content is available on YouTube. You can go for it. If it's not take at a starting time, it will be face you difficult, but when you will understand, you will understand it very well. It will be easy for you. But instead of understanding, if you are doing code, it will hard for you. That's friend, you should start to try to understand coding. Maybe you will not get error too much when you will understand that coding. That's friend, there is number of channel is available, number of video also available, and you should try to understand. There is number of dictionaries, number of function in that Python programming. Firstly you should try to learn little bit codes, and after that you can build your confidence to make a coding, and 100% it will easy for you. Then friend, today's video I want to tell you, if you want to learn any programming, first go through YouTube, search it and try to learn basic things, and automatically your confidence will be improved. And friend, if you don't have laptop, then on mobile you can also learn that coding. There is one apps is available, that is Pyroid. You will get in Google apps, and you can download it and you can enjoy it. And friend, if you like this video, please subscribe, share with your friends. Maybe they will get an idea about this, and press the bell icon because next video notification you will get. And see you next video friend. Thank you so much.